sunset. So we should have courage to stand to the front and speak about our justice, our rights of our regional Carpi Anglong APHLC. So go to the front and struggle for Article 244A. There is a saying, the greater the difficulty, the greater the victory. The more you face problems, difficulties, the greater you will win the race, and victory will be our Carpi Anglong land. And let me also say that before a leader, success is all about growing yourself. First, we must grow ourselves. That am I able to become a good leader, a good servant? When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. When we know how to grow ourselves, humble and honest and loyal, mutual respect, then we will be able to grow everyone. And that is the same from Mother Teresa. If you judge others, you won't have time to love them. So we must not judge anyone. We must give mutual respect and love towards all our ST, that is scheduled tribe, Carpi, Naga, Kuki, Mamizu, Paite, Siam, Chakma, Poro, Adivasi, etc. We must be all united. Unification is the need of the hour. Nili kaning Jekon Lahelo. Ino Josie, leader na Manji Pulatante, Imit Hang, Charju Paprandang lang. Ni Ahok leader nama, lapeni Ahok pesini, Kay Pani Karjaki Baba, labang Abrangsi, Imit Hang Chichini Namji. Imit Hang Chichini lo Pulatante, Rada lang Chipapi Hekten, ilitum Dam Hekko. Lasi ilitum abang putin, abang alupin si tabi. Kaya songsapi na mando nama. Kaya songsapi na mando nama. No na por, itum kisung, itum kituk, ikikeja. Ilitum apan, gokme na skin si tabi, tangka ng pipe. Ilitum ase chipadonang ko. Arise awake, do not stop until you reach your goal. Ilitum akimang lilit, tiktake, chengkot kung sita, ilitum turtusi, ilitum dakot sa songna, dajir pi, dajir pro, ilitum charne ponseroy, chithan ponseroy ng ko. Lasi ilitum kadok kamita, ilitum akamatake, ilitum he aning itum donanji, itum apan akihajay katharsar, nang kijapo ng ilitum kadok kamitum stame, arjab dun tip ng ji. Lapen adon din si kami songzapi labang hempen ng bara kasi songanong ahopen arjab dun tip ko na. Pima pinike leadership need apot piniyapangke ilitum ano din abang kutin sa kami kaching hon seroy kachipado kachidiak seroy kachipado lapen ilitum kachirung seroy kipedo apor sa naman lasi kadoi kami pangsa kami akiro pilo at hima ilitum kachisoke